Good. Now, paano siya, given na, syempre, magkakaiba tayo sa school, ano yung, syempre, there's a 100% target na every school. Sa tingin mo, makukuha mo yung 100% participation and how?
Oh, participation of it. I would promote it. I would promote it very well, and I would make sure that every member school, since I will be keeping a database of the numbers of probably preferably the presidents and the public relations officers. So I will keep myself in contact with them just to keep them informed with all the projects to be related, and then as far as I can, I will try to market the project just so they will be participating.
Um, Lastly is the Allen Awards.
Okay, Alvin Awards is an incentive system that I would like to enhance since my main goal in as aspiring vice president for membership is to encourage the activeness, to motivate the enthusiasm towards the members. So this incentive system will be held for like January, for a week before January probably, just so it won't be in conflict with the schedules of the graduating students plus those who will take those finals exams. So I would like to have an award there in a way to provide the participation of the other schools so that they're like, wow, there's this award, and if I want my org, if I want to leave a legacy in my org, I would definitely be that very active, and I will be motivated to work hard for that award in a way so I can bring home an award to my member school.
What's your vision and goals for your aspired position?